In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to translate an entire document in Google Docs without needing any third-party tools or copy pasting. If you find this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open the document you want to translate in Google Docs. Now head to the top menu and click on Tools. From the dropdown, select Translate Document. A small window will pop up asking you to name the translated copy. By default, it adds the target language to the title, but feel free to change it to whatever you'd like. Right below that, there's a drop-down menu labeled Choose a Language. Click it and you'll see a long list of supported languages. Pick the one you want to translate your document into, let's say Spanish, for example. Once you've selected the language, click Translate. Google Docs will automatically create a new document with the translated text. It happens within seconds, and the formatting usually stays pretty close to the original, which is super helpful. Now, keep in mind, this translation is powered by Google Translate, so while it's good for general use, it might not be perfect for legal or super technical content. Still, for emails, letters, blogs, and everyday writing, it works really well. And that's it. You've just translated a document in a few clicks, right inside Google Docs. If you found this helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more quick how-tos. Thanks for watching.